Hello, good night everyone. Today I will get you on installing and configuring Win9 DNS server on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. We can using cheap cloud server on both on Linode or DigitalOcean or maybe Vultr. I will deploy $5 droplet. So let's start the guide. VDN. To make the job more easy, you can generate password using password generator. Like this. For distribution system, you can select Ubuntu LTS server, maybe version 16.0.4 or 18.0.4 and the latest stable 20.04. So if you currently planning to move to shared hosting, you can of course deploy cloud server with chill name server or private name server. That will make your site more reliable in front of your client, especially then your website will have a dedicated IP address. So if you currently hosted your site on shared hosting server, maybe you will get some problem like send the IP address is shared to another user account. So one IP address is used by all user in single node server on on the same server. So if the another user using the website for junk or spam activity, of course your site will get in effect send the IP is shared to another user. Unlike if your site is hosted at VPS or cloud server or even dedicated server or colocation server, you will have the dedicated IP address. So you will have the IP and not shared to another user, then you own this IP. For region, I select the New York 3, then password. Okay, let's deploy the Droplet. I will guide you step by step on setting up private name server. So you will have a rule like ns1 and ns2. ns1.yourdomain.com and ns2.yourdomain.com, like this for the example. Make sure the hostname is correctly set up to FKDN or fully qualified domain name. Okay, I will log into SSH terminal. SSH root at P22. Then let's pass the password. Like this. After that, don't forget to run system update so your distro will get updated software and packet and maybe and of course Linux kernel and bug fix on your distro and security path and OS path. Then run apt upgrade. And press Y.
udan loh. Kan 5. Apa kenapa? Di bulan ini.
Then I will set up the hostname. Okay, after that let's install Win9 and Win9 utility and press Y.
Ini kayak bulan. Berapa?
Okay, after that let's edit named config local. Like this. After that we need to create a zone directory in under bin directory. Now let's create the bin configuration like this. You can replace this this domain with your actual domain name. Practice. And make sure if you currently using a third-party mail service like Namecheap or maybe Google apps or Gmail apps or Zoho. Make sure to set the MX record, the proper MX record. Like this. And to solve any issue on webmail or mail server, you make sure to correct the record for SPF, DKIM, and JRMAC. Then I don't set the webmail on my server, so I will leave it as default. If you using Zoho Mail, for example, you must set the MX record and also SPF and DKIM and also DRMAC. Then let's save this configuration. After that, let's edit the in ADR ARPA file. Oh, sorry, for serial, make sure you set the correct date. Correct date like this. Like this. Then we can add the ref 3.2.1 in adr.arpa file. Like this, and you should set the serial. Make sure to make it the same with the zone file, with zone configuration. Like this. Okay, next let's edit the resolve conf file, and we can using the Google DNS name server, Google DNS like this, name server 8.8.8.8, then name server 8.8.4.4. Then you can add this to then press save. After that, we can restart the bin9 or named sudo etc init bin9 restart service bin9 restart. Make sure after that we can install bin DNS utility. And for named com option we can set the provider IP to your actual IPv address. Simply replace the 000 rule to your actual server IPv4 address. After that, let's restart the bin service, and you can run the command node 35, and if you setting the name server correctly, you will have the answer section no error. And we have not yet set up the name server. Let me log into my domain registrar. The documentation is of course different if your domain is registered on another domain registrar. Okay, let's log in. So I will get you on setting up name server. So let's check the DNS record. And let's register new name server. like this. For example, on Namecheap, on Namesilo, you can set up the private name server on view registered name server. Like this, then and simply fill the host record and host IP like this, and S1, then you can submit, and then NS2 if you use the single IP address. Then after you register name server, you can change the DNS record. But the way is different if your domain is registered at another domain registrar. Okay, so my domain is hosted at fasthost.co.uk. Where on name server you can fill the name server record to NS1 and NS2, and name server 1 and name server 2. Like this. This is for example only, NS2. After that you can press submit. Then on advanced DNS, Send files look like don't have the GLNS or private name server feature, so we can set on this domain register. Okay, thank you and good night.